Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Anyone Can Be a Star on YouTube. Last one was a special. I've forgotten what number it is. I'll find out the number and boom, this is Anyone Can Be a Star on YouTube number whatever it is. Okay? It's probably 10, maybe 11. As you can see, we have electricity at the moment. That's an old one. Here we go. My mouse tower is made of wood. Mouse tower. I have two Logitech marble mousies on it, and the little metal containers that I tailored to hold them in the spot, and padding so the arm, and see when you got computer screen here, keyboard here, processors or whatever, they're elsewhere. It really helps if your right hand falls on either of your rodents. Many years, many years, starting in like 2000. Two screens side by side, two keyboards side by side. Two mousies side by side. Worked real good. Hey, someone's enjoying this. Someone's having a party. The great thing about Hispanic music is mostly it's really up and cheerful. Although I had one neighbor, he kept on singing this one really sad song. I don't have enough Spanish to understand it, but the pure misery in the guy who wrote this song. It was almost religious in its solemnness. Anyway, it was beautiful, but anyway. Okay, anyone can be a star. Okay. Watch what you say. I nearly fell into the trap of saying bad things about another poster. I didn't know how to take where the man was coming from. So then I said, screw where he's coming from, just take it for what the screen and the speakers give you. And then I saw one of his videos. I didn't know it was his, and it was very erudite. It wasn't the funny guy, right? I know he was erudite and he was talking from experience and knowledge because it was hurting my head listening to him. Usually it takes that lazy machinist to give me that much of a headache. Oh. Now Lakoya. He knows what he's talking about. Unfortunately, he don't know how to shake it through a sieve. So it's normally IQ people down here, get not enough of the really smart people can do what old Carl Sagan, he could translate the most complex concepts of cosmology, and he could make Forrest Gump understand. So Not enough of the really smart guys got the ability to communicate in that way. I mean, you get the really smart professors, doctor whatever at whatever university, espousing some of the craziest shit. Okay, this is the continuation of Anybody, probably 11 or 12. Pick your fights carefully. A couple, 3 days ago, I was tempted to wade into a melee between one YouTube creator and another, and a whole bunch of other people. I stopped. I watched a bunch of the, then I watched guys fight with all these people. And I was talking earlier about some really highly educated people, professors and stuff like that, having the most weird ideas, social, political, economic. I mean, yeah, there was even one professor at the University of California, I forget which one he was teaching at, espoused some really poisonous racial views. Something on the line of, they are inferior. You can tell just by looking at them. And fired him in a hurry. Well, actually, they retired his ass. I said, no one comes to your classes no more. You haven't written a book in 500 years. Frankly, you're retired. Go away. And don't worry about going back to your room collecting your shit. We're shoveling it into the furnace right now. Okay. You can get some really strange ideas. You may not want to involve yourself in someone else's fight with this other person. And all these other people, before you know what's going on. And I looked and I said, I'll back away from the entire situation. A whole bunch of them. The protagonists, the antagonists, the 47 layers of peanut gallery about them while they're having a video flame war. I might look in every once in a while when I need a good joke, I used to be a flame warrior when I was at Audio Galaxy. A defender of the weak and innocent. Taking down trolls and monsters. It felt good. Of course, then that was what? Almost 20 years ago now? I mean, when did Audio Galaxy close? Shut down? 2002. Wow. Yeah. That was great. I was a gold level user. Had friends on the gold users message boards, And, well, that's how you get into flame wars with the trolls and monsters. Protecting your sweet and innocent friends. Anyway, so watch what you say about people and watch, what you get involved with. Anyway, Poppy's gonna go for now. Later.